Today we're going to be taking a look at these Grip, or Grand Rapids Industrial Products, water pump pliers, which are a blatant ripoff of the original design of the Knipex Alligators from the 1970s, I believe. So here's the real thing. You can see just by looking at them, they look a lot nicer. So I'll get these opened up. A quick sample of some real Knipex tools that are nice. So here they are, opened up, and I can start off by saying they move a lot looser than the real thing, which I guess shortly after they decided to go to the Cobras, which are much nicer. I'm sure everybody prefers. These ones have seen a lot of use. But these, I could not say no for $3.99 at Princess Auto. They do feel cheap, but I guess we can take them out to the garage and see if the teeth actually hold up, because they don't have the exact same geometry as the real deal. You can see, here's these ones, and then the real ones. The angle are a lot sharper on these, so they'll actually grab onto things. These ones not so much. Not sure how well it's showing up on video, but they're a lot more rounded, so I don't think they would grab on too well. Now we're in the garage to do a grip strength test of the Grip pliers and the Knipex pliers. I have a piece of pipe mounted in the vise with 2 Mars, just so you can get an idea of how it's turning. And we're going to put each pair of pliers on and just push without using the bottom of the handle to see if they turn the pipe or if they slip. So we'll start with the Knipex, get it in, good spot, use a bit to kind of walk it in first, and then, actually that spot's kind of crushed down a little bit already. We'll go here, start pushing, we're digging in good, and now you can see it's turning the pipe and crushing it. So we'll flip this around and do the test with the other pair. Now we're ready to test these ones out, so we'll put them on. Again, they move a lot easier. They're kind of harder to lock into place too because of that. So we'll apply a bit of initial pressure, if we can actually get them to... Yeah, that's not going to work. So if you use 2 hands, you can get it, but you cannot... The teeth do not have as much bite as the real Knipex Alligators do. So they don't work nearly as nice, and that's all you need to know. They're a cheap pair of pliers that are nice to beat on with a hammer when you don't want to wreck the real deal. Similar size, so they can get into tight spots. And if you can actually grab on with 2 hands, they do the trick. They work nice enough for a pair of cheap pliers. These 2 hands, you can just spin effortlessly. These 2 hands takes a bit more, but for $3.99 versus $37, I want to say, maybe closer to $40. These are the winner in my opinion, but an extra set, can't go wrong.